Picking the handcuffs. I got these handcuffs, really nice chrome handcuffs. Didn't come with any keys. So I went through my barrel keys, the ones with the hole in it. This is a barrel lock. They have a pin in the middle, so it goes around the barrel. And I went through all my barrel keys. And I found 3 that were handcuff keys. The handcuff keys are unusual because their handcuffs are double locked and they got a pin. So on one end of the key they have a pin, and the other they got a little lever that goes on the barrel. When you put the key in the lock, it goes up to 11 o'clock. At 11 o'clock, the lever and the edge of the pin line up there, and so it's hitting the lever over here, which turns and unlocks the lock. So, and you can see how wide the pin is. The lever is short. Doesn't go in there very long. So I made this pick. And this is out of a bobby pin. And I bent just a little bit at the end. So I'm going to put it at about 10 o'clock and move it clockwise, and there it goes. In the upcoming video, I'm going to have my assistant cuff me behind my back, and I will unlock that when they're double locked. But I only have 10 minutes to do it, and I can't do it in that time now. And I'm going to have a big orange jumper suit to do that. And then the third video, I'll be doing it with my toes. But I'm taking way over 10 minutes now, and I can't do that in the time constraints. Peace. Don't break the lock.